Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Following the video update released by Cardano's co-founder, Charles Hoskinson, regarding the Brazil hard fork entering its final stage of development. The co-founder of the Cardano network went to Twitter again today to address a comment made by a member of crypto Twitter. A crypto Twitter user commented on Hackman's live broadcast, stating that Carlos is such a great character. Carlos knows that there are because no one did work on it for now. The Ted Fossilin fork will not bring any change to the Cardano network, and that Hoskinson should go to everything to Cardano as an ecosystem, saying nothing is being built on top of it. The comment was then included by saying that the Vasilian work will be postponed to October 2022 and that the sequel to Cardano on September 19 of this year. Hoskinson shared a screenshot of the comment with the captain. Sometimes the dollars are strong, they form a parallel universe where fossil is fossilid. Those who live in it will forever be fossilid or hazard. At the time of writing, the price of Cardano's native tokens and seen its price fall % over the last day. Furthermore, its price is also down more than % over the last week. With this being the case, ADA is currently trading and has a market cap ranking its hard Twitter user commitment Hoskins live broadcast stating that Charles is such a great actor. The Twitter user added that the Venezuelan fork will not bring any change to the Cardano network and that Hoskinson showed that referring to Cardano as an ecosystem sign, nothing is being built on top of it. The comment was the one consulted by saying that the Brazilian work will be fashioned to October 2022 and that the switch will Cardano on September 19 of this year. Hoskinson shared a screenshot the comment with the caption "At the time reading" and shall notes were these notations are following the video update released by Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskinson regarding the Brazil hard fork entering its final stage the development. The co-founder of the Cardano network went to Twitter again today to address a comment made by a member of cryptocurrency. Following the video update released by Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskinson regarding the Brazil hard fork entering its final stage of development, the co-founder of the network went to Twitter again today to address a comment made by a member of crypto Twitter. The Twitter user added the Vasilian fork will not bring any change to the Cardano network. Hoskinson should stop referring to Cardano as an ecosystem site. Nothing is being built on top of it. That comment was then concluded by saying the Vasilian fork will be used past to October. Hoskinson shared a screenshot of the comment. As the Hoskinson shared a screenshot of the comment with the caption, sometimes the dollars are so strong that they form a parallel universe where Brazil is fossilin. Those who live it will forever be fossilin hits or words for short. At the rating, the price of Cardano's native tokens. The post Hoskinson addressed negative Twitter comment regarding Brazil operate first on account this kind. Hoskinson addressed negative Twitter comment regarding Brazil. Charles Hoskinson addressed a recent comment regarding the Brazil hard fork. The negative comment was made of a Twitter NZE live broadcast by Hoskinson. The prices has fallen 7% of the last day. Following the video update released by Cardano co-founder Charles Hoskinson regarding the Bezos deployment, the co-founder of the Cardano network went to Twitter again today to address a comment made by a member of crypto Twitter. Maybe that's all from me. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.